One intriguing theory about the multiverse is the many worlds interpretation of quantum mechanics. This theory suggests that every quantum event results in a branching of the universe into multiple parallel realities, where all possible outcomes of that event actually occur in separate, non-communicating universes. Here's a basic overview of the theory. Quantum superposition. According to quantum mechanics, particles can exist in multiple states simultaneously, a phenomenon known as superposition. For example, an electron can be in a superposition of spin-up and spin-down states until measured. Wave function collapse. When an observation or measurement is made, the quantum system's superposition collapses into a single state. The outcome is usually probabilistic, with different outcomes having different probabilities. Branching universes. The many worlds interpretation suggests that instead of the universe choosing one outcome upon measurement, all possible outcomes actually occur. This means that when you measure the spin of an electron, the universe splits into multiple branches, each representing a different outcome. In one branch, the electron has spin up, and in another branch, it has spin down. Non-communicating universes. These different branches of the universe are thought to be separate and non-communicating. This means you can't interact with or observe other branches, even though they exist in parallel. The many worlds interpretation is just one of several multiverse theories. It's a fascinating concept that attempts to explain the probabilistic nature of quantum mechanics by proposing the existence of a vast number of parallel universes. In each of these universes, every possible quantum outcome occurs, leading to an incredibly diverse multiverse. It's worth noting that the many worlds interpretation is a theoretical framework and has generated significant debate among physicists and philosophers. While some find it conceptually elegant, others prefer alternative multiverse theories, such as the bubble multiverse or the string theory landscape. These theories have different ideas about the nature and origin of parallel universes. The possibility of life in another universe depends on the nature of that universe and the conditions within it. The idea of life in other universes is a topic of speculation and exploration in the realm of theoretical physics and astrobiology, but it's important to understand that we currently have no direct evidence or observations of life in any other universe. Here are a few points to consider. Multiverse hypotheses. Various multiverse theories, such as the many worlds interpretation and the multiverse proposed in the context of inflationary cosmology, suggest the existence of multiple universes with different physical laws, constants, and conditions. In some of these universes, conditions might be suitable for life as we know it, or for entirely different forms of life. Parameters for life. Life, as we understand it, is strongly influenced by the physical and chemical properties of our universe, including the values of fundamental constants, the existence of complex organic molecules, and the availability of liquid water. In universes with different parameters, life as we know it might not be possible, but alternative forms of life could potentially emerge based on different physical laws. Cosmic fine tuning. Some proponents of the anthropic principle argue that the apparent fine-tuning of physical constants and conditions in our universe may be a result of selection bias. That is, the universe we observe is conducive to life because we exist to observe it. In other words, our universe's properties may be a prerequisite for the existence of observers like us. Lack of evidence. As of my last knowledge update in September 2021, there is no direct evidence of life in any other universe, and the search for extraterrestrial life has largely focused on our own universe and the search for habitable planets and conditions within it. In summary, while the idea of life in other universes is a topic of theoretical discussion and speculation, it remains a subject of debate and uncertainty in the scientific community. We are limited by our ability to explore and gather information about other universes if they exist. Our current understanding of life is based on the conditions of our own universe, and we have yet to discover evidence of life beyond it. As of my last knowledge update in September 2021, there is no established scientific means for traveling to another universe, and the idea of traveling to a different universe remains largely theoretical and speculative. It's important to clarify some concepts related to this. Multiverse theories. Multiverse theories, such as the many worlds interpretation and the multiverse proposed in the context of inflationary cosmology, suggest the existence of multiple universes with potentially different physical laws and properties. These theories do not necessarily imply that we can physically travel from one universe to another. Instead, they propose the coexistence of multiple universes with different conditions. Parallel universes. In the context of many multiverse theories, parallel universes are considered to be separate and non-communicating, meaning that there is no known method for traveling or transitioning from one universe to another. String theory. Some versions of string theory propose the existence of extra dimensions beyond our familiar 3 dimensions of space and 1 dimension of time. These extra dimensions might be connected to other branes or universes. However, the energy and technology required to access these extra dimensions, if they exist, are far beyond our current capabilities. Wormholes and exotic matter. Wormholes, if they exist, are hypothetical shortcuts through space and time that could potentially connect different regions of our universe. Some have speculated that wormholes might be used to access other universes, but this remains highly speculative and theoretical. It's important to emphasize that these concepts are largely theoretical and have not been demonstrated or realized in practice. Traveling to another universe, if it's even possible, would likely require technologies and understanding of physics that are currently beyond our reach. The focus of current space exploration and scientific endeavors is primarily within our own universe, with a goal of understanding the cosmos, discovering habitable planets, and searching for extraterrestrial life within the confines of our observable universe. The notion of traveling to other universes remains in the realm of science fiction and theoretical physics.